Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to make this delicious ABC juice drink the simple way. And if you're not familiar with the term ABC, that basically stands for apple, beet, carrot. I'm also going to add some ginger to this as well. I'll be using 4 carrots as well as 1 beet, 1 apple. I'm using my older apple from the refrigerator. You want to make sure that anytime you juice or blend, always use your older fruits and vegetables first. So for this recipe, I'm just going to prepare everything, right here on the countertop. No cutting board necessary. I haven't rinsed off my vegetables yet because I'm going to do that last. And this is non-organic fruits and vegetables, which is, look, it's perfectly fine. I mean, of course, organic is always best, but if you can't afford organic or if you just don't have access to it, just use what you have as long as it's not from the freezer section, okay? Because if it's from the freezer section, me and you, we gonna have some problems. We gonna have some problems, okay, y'all? Leave that frozen fruit, leave it there. Leave it at the grocery store. Don't put frozen fruit in your drink from the freezer section at the grocery store. Don't use it. Don't use it. Use fresh fruits for your drinks. But that's for another video, okay? Let me get back into this drink, okay? So yeah, you guys, I really plan to incorporate more juice drinks on this channel, and not just for content's sake, but primarily because I really want to get back into juicing. Like I said in another video that I did my juice fast back in 2013, and a lot of my health issues cleared up. My skin cleared up. I just felt so good. I had so much energy, as well as I lost a ton of weight. Okay. I did get a lot of questions, how was it juicing? Was it hard? How did you feel? And I think I might do a video, just like a sit down, like a sit down with me video, just talking about juicing and how it was. But briefly for this video, I will tell you guys that it was very hard. And if you decide to ever do a juice fast, just start slow. Do your research and make sure that you have somebody like a support system. You need that other person that's going to motivate you, encourage you, push you, and maybe even help you make some of them drinks. Because I'm using the press, I have to make sure that I cut down my carrots pretty small, just so that I'm not overworking the juicer here. I will do a review on this juicer at another date, so I'm not going to, get in too much into the specs concerning this juicer here. I just will tell you guys that this is definitely one of their older models, because we first purchased this juicer like back in, I think, like 2012 or something like that. So when I did my juice fast, I went 30 days, and I believe I did about six to 8 drinks per day. And that's a lot of work because you have to constantly, clean, cut, and juice, then you have to clean your juicer every time. Once you first start juicing, you're going to feel tired, you're going to feel worn out, and that's just from all of those toxins that are sitting in your fatty cells. They're going to be released into your bloodstream, so you're going to start to feel sick at first, and that's just the process of your body just clearing out all of those old toxins and getting that stuff out of your system. So I recommend anybody that if you should decide to challenge yourself and do a juice fast, start out with a raw food diet first, because you want to slowly go into the fast. You don't want to just like one day you have a cheeseburger and then the next day you just fasting. Don't do it like that. You want to break yourself in slowly, okay, if that makes sense. So I started out on a raw food diet. I think I did rice, I did like applesauce, I did a lot of beans, lentils, I did a lot of salads, you know, stuff like that. No sugars, nothing processed. And that was how I started my juice fast. And I did the raw food diet for 3 days, and then I went straight into the juice fast. So for the fast, I used 2 different types of juicers. I used the Omega J8004, I think that's what it's called. I used that, as well as there was another type of juicer that I used. We still have it here, and because I don't really juice frequently or that often, I don't really juice, period. You know what? I need to get my life together, y'all. I need to get it together. But because I don't juice that much, it's high up in the cabinets. I'm gonna go today and I'm gonna pull that juicer down and clean it so that I can use it for my next video. But for this video, I'm using the Omega. All right, so as you can see here, all of the fruit is rinsed, and now I'm gonna start the juicing process. First, we're gonna start with our carrots. Carrots first. Okay, so these are the leftover shrubs, and this is all of the fiber. You can save this for a compost pile if you want. So I'm just going to take this and put it here. The most important thing is that you drink this right away, because it will lose its nutrient value as time progresses. So, okay. This is more of the leftover fiber that's been strained. Okay, so you want to take this and you can add it to your glass. Now this is a fairly large amount here, so this glass probably is not enough. You can take this amount here and you can stretch it out and add some water. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you guys can see better. Okay, so as you can see, it's still dripping. So I'm going to show you really quickly how you can detach this just to get the last of the juice out. David taught me this. Just go back and forth and that'll get the last of any juice out. So I'm going to clean off my area here. Forgot one carrot. So now I'm going to take this I'm going to take this juice and add it to my cup. And to make sure that all of the juices are mixed in well, this is going to combine and mix everything up. So now this is a fairly good amount here. I'm going to stretch this out and I'm going to add some water. I'm using some filtered water from the fridge. Stretch it out just a little bit. I'm going to add my top. All right, you guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you.